Friends, in today's video, we are going to tell you about NEHA KAKKAR's pregnancy. Before starting the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming video. NEHA KAKKAR, who captivates people with her melodious voice, has sung more than one song. NEHA KAKKAR got married to Rohanpreet in 2020. Her marriage is 3 years old. Finally, NEHA KAKKAR has shared good news. Yes, friends, NEHA KAKKAR is pregnant and she is going to be a mother very soon. NEHA KAKKAR herself gave this news through her Instagram. Very soon, she will be 2 to 3 years old. Very soon, a baby guest is going to enter her house. Then what was, friends? As soon as they heard this, their friends and fans gave a lot of many congratulations to NEHA KAKKAR and Rohanpreet Singh from our side. Friends, you also congratulate NEHA KAKKAR through comments. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.